Hi mixers, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but just a lot has been going on and it's been crazy, but I'm back and hopefully I'm here to stay. Also stick around for the whole video because in between I'm going to be sharing something cool and I want you to hear what it is. Okay, so in this video we're going to be making peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. So start off by taking 1/4 of a cup of unsalted butter and then melt it in the microwave, and then add 1/4 of a cup of creamy peanut butter, and I just use the Skippy brand. I know you guys missed this, so mix it all up. Add in 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar. Now mix it all up again. And this time we're going to be adding 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Make sure that the sugars and the butters get nicely mixed together and we can move on to the next step. Add in a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I added in half an egg, so I just whisked the egg and then poured in half. And add 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda and then about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Add 1/2 a cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now mix that all up and we can move on. Make sure that's nicely incorporated, and then it's time for our final ingredient. Look guys, I got new spatulas. This one's blue and I love it. I got a whole new set and I'll show them off in the next couple of videos. Lastly, add about 1/2 a cup of chocolate chips. Give that a gentle mix, and then we are going to get our 9 by 13 inch pan lined with parchment paper. Take 2 tablespoons of cookie dough in your hand and roll it into a ball and just place it onto your parchment paper. It doesn't matter if it's spaced out evenly because right now we are just going to be refrigerating these cookie dough balls. Place your cookie dough balls in the fridge for 30 minutes, and the more you refrigerate it, the less they will spread. After 30 minutes, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Make sure to flatten out your cookies because, like I said, they don't spread, so you just want them to be as flat as possible. And once it is preheated, stick in your cookies for about 9 to 12 minutes. It depends on how golden brown your cookies are by the end of the baking time. If you made it this far, first off I want to say thank you. I'm going to be doing a face reveal before the end of September, so please keep me accountable on that and leave it down in the comments. And if you made it this far, comment penguin and let's see if we can confuse everyone in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys are staying safe and I hope everything is well, and I missed you guys, but I will hopefully be posting more often now. Yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye mixers!